What is going on, truckers? What is going on to all my YouTubers? This is your boy Trucker Dumas coming back to you today with another video. And today I'm at CSX Fairburn. I'm about to share with you another tips and tricks. If you're new to the game, new to the container game, it doesn't matter if you work for JBN, Up Group, any company that put container out of the rail. Let's go and find out what it is. There we go. So whenever you come to the rail to pick up a container and they say to go to TTR, it doesn't matter which number you go. If you come to TTR over here at Fairburn CSX, waiting for a crane to drop the box to the chassis, this is something I want to share with you today. You know, the box is sitting on the chassis and it's locked with 4 pins. And we got 2 of the front, 2 front pins, 1 on the side, each side, and we got 2 pins in the back that lock the box on the chassis. Today, what I'm gonna show you, if you come to TTR to pick up a box, let me give you a tips or to make it easy for you when crane comes to drop the box. You see the front pins? Instead of like how they all the way open, you have to just push them to the back. Push them to the lock position, the front pins, left and right, right and left. Push them to the lock position and wait for crane. But when you come to the T-pin, the pin in the back, leave them open. Yeah, leave them open. So the reason why is when crane come to drop the box, sometimes you have to go to on the back to look for the yard joker to fix the box for you on top of the chassis, because sometimes it doesn't fit and you cannot lock the front pin. But when you have the pins like this in the lock position, what's gonna happen is when crane come with the box and they drop it on top of the chassis, what they do, they make the box touch the frame first up here and they slide it all the way to the front. So I'm gonna make a video when crane is about to drop my box so you can see with your eyes. They're gonna touch the frame first right up here and slide it to the front. And what's gonna happen is when they slide, it's gonna already lock to the pin, so you don't have to lock those. And there's no way they're not gonna fit to the holes, you know. You have to go back to go in the back by the JBN shop to get somebody else to fix it for you. All you're gonna have to do now is just go to the back and lock the T pin or the back pin. But let's go and find out when crane come with my box. Let's wait to find out when crane come with my box so I can show you all its work. So stay tuned, guys, and don't forget my name. Okay, now they're about to drop the box to the chassis, and this is what I want you to pay attention to. When crane come with the box, they make the box touch the frame of the chassis first, and when the box touch the chassis, and they slide it all the way to the front, and this is where the box make the contact with the pin. All right, guys, I want you to pay attention to what is gonna happen here. You see this? They're gonna make the box touch the chassis frame first. Okay, now you know, trying to make the box, the front of the box need to touch it. Now it's touched the chassis and they're gonna push forward. There we go, bam, and now it's locked. See, easy peasy. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Now you don't have to go to the back to get them fixed for you. My name is Trucker Dumas. If you're new to this game, this is where to be. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Stay tuned.